All right, good morning, good afternoon, or maybe it's a good night. So, today I want to show you different ways to make money on the internet. As of today, when I'm making this video, a dollar is 1,700 naira. So, nobody should convince you or how will I put it now? Nobody should coerce you or convince you to start making money in dollars because it's getting worse by the day. This is not the time you depend only on your salary. You need to create multiple streams of income. With your smartphone or any other place, you can create such income. But because we are in the digital era, you need to learn how to make money with your smartphone. Whether you're a housewife, whether you're a student, whether you're a teenager, everybody should learn how to make money in this century. And for you to make money, you must have a product or you must have a skill. This is the problem a lot of people have. They want to make money without doing anything. And it doesn't work that way. There is no way you can make money without doing anything. You must have a product or you must have a skill. Okay? So let me ask you this question now before we go ahead. Which of these skills do you have right now? Do you have this SEO skill, search engine optimization? Do you know how to do it? Do you know how to do sales and closing? Do you know how to do WhatsApp marketing? Do you know email marketing? Do you know social media marketing? Do you know content creation? Which of these skills do you have right now? Do you have presentation skill? Do you know how to create website? Do you know how to create a sales funnel? Do you know copywriting? Do you know how to start a YouTube channel? These are skills that people are using to make money on the internet. Many people are being scammed in many ways because they are ignorant, because they want it to be quick. They want to make money in a fast way, as in fast way of making money without doing anything. So they tell them bring 20k and I'll give you 100k, and they will send, and the money will develop wings and fly away. So for you to make money anywhere, you must have a product or you must have a skill. So these are the skills you need if you want to make money in this century online. You choose any of these skills and dedicate time to learn how it works. And when you are finished learning how it works, you can begin to sell your skill online. So the question now is, where and how will I learn these skills? That's why I want to show you where you can learn these skills. There is a course called the Ultimate Money Machine. This course will teach you how to make money in different ways. Okay? So let me go to this is the course right now. Sorry, I don't know why this my pen is showing. Oh, it's still showing. I need to drop it. Okay. Let me close it. Okay. This is the course. You're going to learn. Let's start from the beginning. What you're going to learn. Money mindset, because you cannot make money when your mind is screaming poverty. Okay. You are going to learn money mindset. You're going to learn how to select a product you will sell. And the product you are selling here are digital products. You're going to learn about traffic sources, because it's people that will buy what you are selling. Okay? You're going to learn how to create a funnel. You're going to learn how to drive traffic from Facebook. You're going to learn how to run Facebook ads, how to do funneling with your smartphone. You're going to learn copywriting, YouTube monetization, and how to create a YouTube channel. That's what it is there. And there's a bonus course here, how to get free books and online materials free, and you sell it online. So this is one of the courses you are getting in this package. So let's go back. I want to show you another course that you also have access to. Okay, let me go back. So this is the one I showed you now, the ultimate money machine. You have access to this course and it will teach you how to sell anything online. So if you are someone that started a business and you don't really know how to take your business online, this is the course you need. Now there's another course here. Look at it, Ultimate Ads Mastery. This course will teach you how to run ads, whether Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. You still have access to this course in this package. Now look at this beautiful one. This is blogging. Blogging is another way people make money. It's a type of content creation where people write, you write content, and when people read your content, you make money from that. So this is a wonderful skill, and all these courses come in a package called the Ultimate Money Machine course. This package is just 20,000 naira, lifetime payment. You don't have to pay any other thing. You have access to these courses for life. So what I usually tell people, when you want to come and learn how to make money online, it's better you pay and learn it the right way, so that you don't waste money, waste time on doing trial and error. But a lot of people don't want to really pay for learning, for knowledge, but they will pay for other things. 20,000 is not up to what we pay as school fees in the university. But most of us are not even using the certificate we used in school. Even if you have not gone to school, you are not a graduate. This course, when you master it, in fact, the energy you are using to learn this course should be greater, because this is your own university. You are studying it and you're practicing it to be sure that you succeed on it. Because if you get these skills very well, you will do better than anybody that have gone to university. And the good news is that this course has a certificate. So if you are able to sell things online, you'll be able to run Facebook ads, run Instagram ads, you have become a social media marketer. You can do that professionally for people. Yeah, and there's a certificate attached to this course. So if you're ready to learn how to make money online, this is the course you need. So if you are ready to get started, let me know. Just look around this video. You will see my number somewhere, and chat me up on WhatsApp, and let's get you started, because it's not getting easier. You need to create multiple streams of income. This course right now gives you opportunity to create more than 5 streams of income just from this course. There is blogging there is social media management, there is Facebook ad, there is a lot of things already inside this course. So if you don't need to sleep on this opportunity, grab it with your 2 hands, pay the price to